Alright guys, today I am doing a review of this Judy G gluten-free moments. This is a Lucuma vanilla cake with strawberry hibiscus. Look at this. Vegan, superfood, non-GMO, 2 cakes inside. As you can see, gluten-free, nut-free. So I'm super interested to try this out. And there's the back. And let's look at the ingredients, guys. That's on the other side. So, you guys want to read the ingredients? Pause it. So as you can see, it's gluten-free flour. You got some potato flour, strawberry hibiscus, coconut oil, baking soda, and there's the nutrient panel. All right, let's try this out. All right, so this is what it looks like. So it was in the freezer. So look at that. So there's 2 cakes in here. We're gonna take one out. Comes in a little dish. Check that out. So, I'm gonna try this out right now. Let me try this out. And then I'll try it out when it's defrosted a bit, but can't wait to try this, so this. Ooh, that strawberry taste really comes through. Think of it like a sponge cake with a really flavorful strawberry topping on it, like a sundae, basically like a ice cream sundae. Actually, really good. Definitely check it out. If you have any questions, comments, guys, please post, guys. So I actually warmed this up, and part of the instructions was to warm it up. So I'm gonna tell you, eating it cold wasn't that bad. So, but anyways, warmed up. Let's try it out. Oh, that's soft, like a nougat. Look at that. Let's try this out. So I stand by my first impressions of it. It tastes like a strawberry sundae. It really does. That strawberry topping is really good. The bread part is fluffy and it's like mildly sweet, but the top coulis part is awesome. So if you have any questions, comments, guys, please subscribe to the channel. It is fluffy too, so yeah, try it out.